Let's make stew with 3,250 with enough protein in it. This tomato I got it for 1,000 naira. Cayenne pepper 500, onion 200, spring onion 300, this crayfish 200. These eggs were 3 for 500. That's why 6 is 1k. Half cup of vegetable oil 300, seasoning cube 50 naira. No need to calculate salt. The salt I used was half teaspoon. Let me know in the comment section if you think you can pull this off. Watch this video to the end so that you see how the food turned out. This food was enough for 2 adults and 2 children. Well, the children are almost adults, adolescents, so they will eat as much as adults. So I would say it was enough for 4 people. But love was fine.